Nitrogen cycle. The atmosphere has 78% nitrogen gas. The pure nitrogen cannot be taken directly by plants and animals. It must be fixed into a usable form. Lighting can fix nitrogen gas, N2, by combining of oxygen to form nitrate ions, NO3-. Nitrate ions, NO3-, easily absorbed into plants through the roots. The plants then use the nitrogen to convert compounds of nitrogen. In soil, bacteria or fungi converts nitrogen gas or ammonium compound into ammonium ions. This process is called ammonification. Nitrogen from fertilizer like urea or ammonium compounds, urea from urine, decomposes to ammonia or ammonium ions. Ammonia dissolves into cytoplast to form ammonium ions. Ammonium ions are converted into NO2- to NO3- with the help of bacteria. This process is known as nitrification. Nitrate ions, NO3-, easily absorbed into plants through the roots. The plants then use the nitrogen to convert compounds of nitrogen. Some plants have special root nodules like soybean and pea plants. Bacteria in root nodules fix nitrogen and convert it into compound of nitrogen. Animals eat the plants to get nitrogen. When plants and animals die, bacteria and fungi present in the soil convert the nitrogenous wastes into nitrogenous compounds to be used by plants again. Certain other bacteria convert nitrate ion into nitrogen. This process is known as denitrification. The gas goes back into the atmosphere. As a result, the percentage of nitrogen in the atmosphere remains more or less constant. Let us summarize in pictorial form. Microorganisms, friend and foe. Some living organisms such as plants, animals and humans are large enough to be seen with the naked eye. But some living organisms are so small that we need a powerful lens or a microscope to see them. These are called microorganisms or microbes. Microbes are classified into 5 groups: bacteria, fungi, protozoa, algae, and virus. Bacteria exist as single cells or as a chain or group of cells. Bacteria have a wide range of shapes, ranging from spheres to rods and spirals. Bacteria are present in mostly all habitats on Earth. Fungi. Fungi are mainly saprophytic or sometimes parasitic. In the rainy season, you may have seen green patches on trunks of old trees and stale bread. These patches are fungi. Protozoa. Protozoa are single-celled organisms and usually have no definite shape. For example, amoeba. Algae. Algae are microscopic plants that tend to develop in stagnant water and contain chlorophyll. They make their own food through the process of photosynthesis. Virus. Virus is mainly disease-causing microbe that reproduces only inside the cells of host organisms, which may be plant, animal or bacterium. Where do microorganisms live? Microorganisms are found everywhere in air, water and soil. They can survive under all the types of environmental conditions, ranging from ice-cold climate to hot springs and from deserts to marshy lands. Diseases. Microorganisms are not always helpful. Some have deleterious effect also. They can harm human, animals and even the plants. Let us study the harmful microorganisms. Some microorganisms are capable of causing diseases. These disease-causing microorganisms are pathogens, like the poliovirus causes polio, and Mycobacterium tuberculosis is responsible for tuberculosis. Microorganisms can cause diseases in humans through air, water, direct contact or through a carrier. Microbial diseases are of 2 types: communicable diseases and non-communicable diseases. Diseases that can spread from an infected person to a healthy person through air, water, or direct contact are called communicable diseases like the common cold, chickenpox, and tuberculosis, while the diseases that cannot be transmitted from an infected person to a healthy person are called non-communicable diseases. Examples are cancer and diabetes.